Hey folks, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be giving a general introduction and will be discussing about the phase 1 reactions of detoxification process. Phases of detoxification processes. So the phase 1, it is alteration of the foreign molecule so as to add a functional group which can be conjugated in the phase 2. So usually phase 1 leads to the formation of compounds with decreased toxicity, which is known as a process of detoxification. But sometimes the biotransformation can lead to increased toxicity in phase 1, and that is called intoxication. Now the example of intoxification is methanol to formic acid. The phase 1 reactions, they include hydroxylation, oxidation, reduction, hydrolysis, dealkylation, epoxidation, etc. The products of metabolic transformations are either excreted directly or undergo further metabolism by the phase 2 reactions. Now, they involve conjugation with a conjugating agent, thus converting the lipophilic compounds into water soluble, easily excretable forms. That is, converting the lipophilic compounds to the lipophobic or the hydrophilic compounds. Now, the phase 2 reactions are sulfation, acetylation, methylation, and conjugation with glucuronic acid, glutathione, or glycine. Now, in some instances, the products of phase 2 reaction may further be metabolized by the phase 3 reactions. Now let's begin with the phase 1 reaction. So first it is the oxidative reaction. So this may be either aromatic or aliphatic hydroxylation. The reactions also include sulfur-oxidation, N-oxidation and epoxidation. So the first example that we have to see is about toluene. So the toluene, it is hydroxylated to the benzyl alcohol by the mixed function oxidase system. The oxidation and detoxification of alcohol is an important function of the liver. So, two enzymes are involved in this process: the alcohol dehydrogenase, which oxidizes the alcohol to aldehyde, and the aldehyde dehydrogenase, which oxidizes the aldehyde to acid. So, the ADH, that is alcohol dehydrogenase, is an NAD plus linked enzyme, so which is located in the cytosol or the cytoplasm. And ALDH, that is aldehyde dehydrogenase, it is also an NAD plus dependent but mitochondrial enzyme, that is, it is present in the mitochondria. Now the examples of intoxication in phase 1 is a conversion of methanol to formic acid and the conversion of ethylene glycol to oxalic acid. Here you can see the detoxification or the phase 1 reactions, that is oxidation of the alcohol to form the acid. So here ethyl alcohol in the presence of alcohol dehydrogenase is converted to acetaldehyde, and this acetaldehyde in the presence of aldehyde dehydrogenase is converted to acetic acid. Energy is generated in both the processes. And here you can see the conversion of benzaldehyde to benzoic acid in the presence of aldehyde dehydrogenase. Now moving to the next type of reactions under phase 1 of biotransformation, that is the reduction reaction. So some of the reductases also contain cytochrome P450 and are flavoproteins in nature. The major groups of the compounds which are reduced and detoxified are in the liver, they are the nitro compounds. So you have to understand nitro compounds undergo reduction reactions in phase 1. So these are reduced to their amines, while aldehydes or ketones are reduced to alcohols. Here you can see the example, the conversion of nitrobenzene to aminobenzene, that is a nitro compound, to its amine form, that is to aniline. The other examples are conversion of picric acid to picramic acid and para-nitrophenol to para-aminophenol. Now coming to the third type of reaction under phase 1, that is hydrolysis. So hydrolysis, it is a chemical reaction in which the addition of water splits the toxicant into two fragments or smaller molecules. So here the OH group, that is a hydroxyl group, will be incorporated into the one fragment and hydrogen atom into another if they are split into two. So the compounds which are biotransformed by hydrolysis are esters, amines, hydrazines, amides, glycosidic bonds and carbamates, and they are generally biotransformed by hydrolysis. And the examples for these include aspirin, acetanilide, procaine, xylocaine, aliphatic esters, etc. That's it for this video. If you honestly did understand the topic, do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.